Here I've got MAXCOM Smart MS457 Strong, and let me show you how to set up the following device. So at first, let's select the language that you would like to have. As you can see here, we've got plenty of languages, so you will definitely find something suitable for you. In my case, it will be English, so just let me find it. And then the region is US. Then click on Get Started. And it's time to insert your SIM card if you want to do it right now, but I will skip it and then I will do it later. You can also back up some data from your previous phone, or you can set it up as a new one. So let me pick set up as new. Now just connect to your Wi-Fi. In my case, it's the first one, HardReset.Info. Wait a couple of seconds. And now you can log in with your Google account. If you don't have one, you can create a new one, or you can also skip this option, but I will log in because it's truly useful. And Gmail.com. And then click on Next. Then just enter the password. So as you can see, if you will click on the eye icon, you will be able to see what you are entering. So just let me enter mine. And as only it is entered, tap on Next. Then come along with all Google terms of service and also privacy policy, and if you agree with all the terms, click on I agree. Now, as you can see here are some Google services, so you can select if you would like to have your data backed up and storage, location option, then send system data and all the others, so just select the one that you would like to have. Obviously, you can deactivate some of them, and once you decide which you want to have, click on Next. And now if you would like to have some pattern, PIN or the password as a screen protection, you can set it up right now, but I will skip it for now. Then you can skip it anyway. If you would like to add some payment method or another email account, it's time to do it, but also you can do it later, so I will pick setup later. And that's it. As you can see now, you can start use your device, do whatever you want. You can change wallpaper, add some contacts and all the other. So enjoy using your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.